Wealth After 50 presents Get Rich with AI, Financial Freedom Today. What if you had a financial strategist in your pocket? Not just any strategist, but one with the power to analyze market trends, investment strategies, and economic forecasts, all to build a wealth plan that's actually about you. What if it could take your real-life goals, buying a house, traveling the world, retiring a decade early, and turn them into an automated, personalized roadmap? This isn't some fantasy for tech billionaires anymore. It's the new reality of financial planning, and it's more accessible than you think. For decades, building real wealth meant you either paid a fortune for a traditional financial advisor who handed you a generic plan, or you tried to do it yourself, drowning in spreadsheets and conflicting advice, terrified of making one wrong move. Traditional advice is expensive, it's rarely truly personal, and it's too slow for a world that changes in a blink. This old system created a huge gap between the ultra-wealthy, with their teams of experts, and everyone else. But thanks to new technology, that gap is finally starting to close. When people hear AI and finance, they usually think of stock-picking bots. The real revolution, the one creating a new wave of wealth, is in broader AI strategies that help you act as your own chief financial officer. We're talking about integrated AI systems that look at your whole life, not just your investment portfolio. While AI isn't a flawless crystal ball, it is allowing access to powerful financial tools that were once out of reach for most people. These systems can analyze your income, spending, debt, and career goals to help you build and execute a financial plan that is uniquely yours. This isn't just about making more money. It's about creating a smarter, faster path to financial independence. Step 1 is knowing exactly what financial freedom looks like for you. A vague goal like, "I want to be rich," gets you nowhere. You need specific, concrete targets. This is where AI-powered planning comes in. Imagine telling an app, "I want to buy a 3-bedroom house in this zip code in 5 years, take a 6-month sabbatical in 3 years, and retire by 50. Instead of a generic calculator, these tools can model your goals against your financial reality. Emerging platforms use predictive analytics to break down your ambitions into monthly and weekly actions. They analyze your spending to create a hyper-personalized budget you can actually follow. Other tools like Monarch Money use clever, rule-based systems to make sure every dollar has a job, helping you rebalance your priorities in real time. This isn't just about cutting out your daily lattes, it's about strategic alignment. AI can highlight how your current spending might delay your sabbatical and suggest actionable adjustments. It helps you create a dynamic plan that adapts as your life changes, keeping you on the most efficient path to your goals. And then there's investing. Robo-advisors like Betterment have become incredibly sophisticated. They use algorithms to build a diversified portfolio tailored to your risk tolerance and automatically handle complex tasks like tax loss harvesting and rebalancing. They may not guarantee returns, but they ensure your investments are optimized based on your settings, without you lifting a finger. A great plan is useless without discipline. Humans are emotional. We let small, impulsive decisions derail our long-term goals. An automated system operates with zero emotion and perfect discipline. It connects the dots and puts your financial plan on autopilot. It can automate savings transfers, moving the right amount from your checking to your investment accounts. It can automate bill payments, helping you avoid late fees. It's also your risk manager. Some advanced financial planning platforms like Projection Lab can run thousands of simulations to stress test your plan against a job loss or market crash. Tools from providers like Empower Personal Dashboard can analyze your investment fees, showing you exactly how much you're losing to hidden costs. By automating the execution, you're protected from your own worst impulses, allowing your wealth to grow more consistently over time. We are at the beginning of a revolution that is making wealth generation more accessible than ever. The fusion of AI with personal finance means that a customized, optimized, and automated path to financial independence is no longer a distant dream. The question isn't if an ordinary person can build extraordinary wealth, but how soon you'll decide to start. The tools are here. The knowledge is accessible. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. And remember, it's never too late to grow your wealth after 50.